Welcome to our tutorial on managing affiliate job shares and email invitations in Logistifie. Today, we'll walk you through how to handle job shares sent via email and accept affiliate invitations from your email. Let's dive in. When an affiliate partner shares a job with you, you'll receive an email notification. This email will include all the necessary details such as the date, time, pickup location, drop-off location, and other important information about the job. When a company sends you an affiliate invitation, you'll receive an email containing the affiliate details and an option to accept the invitation. To accept, simply click on the Accept Invitation button in the email. This will direct you to Logistifie's affiliate list, showing the accepted invitation. Once you accept the invitation, the company will be added to your affiliate list. And that's how you manage affiliate job shares and email invitations in Logistifie. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. See you next time.